Red hat, red shoes. Red means recording once again.
How good.
How pleasant to see you again.
Where in the cosmos am I?
You are in another universe.
It's been a weird couple months. So, as some of you know already, Dapper Drift, the original Dapper Drift, ended up in flames at Gridlife.
I think it's just the grass, maybe.
Because of sloppy driving, because the car had a lot of plastic left on it, has enormous brakes, and that's just the way things go at the track sometimes. So that was a bummer, but with the help of Fortune Auto, we were able to fix the part of the damaged wiring harness and get the car back on track. Yep, that's the next hoopty. Recognize this? Oh yeah. So the build has officially started. I started cutting things and I started removing things, and very soon I'm gonna drop the drive shaft, the radiator out of here, get the engine out, start making room in the engine bay. Start cutting all of this unnecessary stuff out. Do not need all of this. All this is getting cut out. One of my personal missions is to make the ugliest E-Class cool again. We'll see if I can do that. And yes, this one is going to be manual. Once that is done and I get to shake the car down, we're looking at suspension upgrades, angle modifications, ABS delete, hydro install, lightning mods, and all sorts of fun stuff. But first things first. I took Monday to go to the track on my motorcycle. That right there is supposed to be straight, and it is not. I crashed my bike. I'm okay. The bike, not so much. It'll be fine, but it definitely needs a little bit of work. Tail light fell off. This is the rear set I bent. Those are rear sets we made for the bike, so actually I'm gonna go to factory rear sets that sit higher and give me more clearance. I'm gonna be back experimenting on track with this new setup at some point this year. But crash cage did its job. SW Motec works incredibly well. No real damage to handlebar, no real damage to anywhere else on the bike. This is a cheap case that can be had for $20. I'll just buy it and fix it, and good to go. Modern crash gear works really well. Go out and get yourself a good set of leathers. It'll save your everything. If you're gonna ride at this level, you're gonna take your stuff to the track, you gotta be safe. And that is one of the things I fully intend on fixing with the new build. It's gonna get a cage at some point. It's gonna have a fire extinguisher. I'm gonna remove all the plastic that is flammable. I'm gonna start treating it like what it is. Sketchy business that can go terribly wrong, and I'm not willing to take chances.